That's not funny. Do the stop button. No. Now see me.
Oh, look at Alex is laughing at you. Can you try to make him laugh? No, that's not going to make him laugh. Maybe if you can sit in his chair and tell him a joke. Sit on your chair and tell him a joke.
No. Who's this? Don't guys, that's a dog.
Maybe tell him again. Look, you like that one. Try again. Well done. Mommy's taping it. Tell him another joke.
Knock. Who's there? Don't fight. That's an audience. Knock. Who's there? Is that a pee-pee? Don't guys, that's an audience. Don't guys, that's an audience. Don't guys, that's a pee-pee.